In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage your Ethereum assets and how to transfer them from Binance or any other wallet to Trezor. So to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trezor, you will need to generate an Ethereum address on your Trezor and then initiate a transfer from your Binance account. So first, connect your Trezor device to your computer. Usually this is done with the provided USB cable. So once you connect the Trezor device, unlock it using your PIN, and now open Trezor Suite. If you don't have the Trezor Suite application, you will be able to find it on their official website, and this is where you will be able to manage all of the assets that you have on your Trezor hardware wallet. So open Trezor Suite once it is properly downloaded, and you will be able to generate a new Ethereum address in there. Click the plus sign at the left side of the screen and choose from any of the assets available, in this case, Ethereum. So now you will be able to choose between sending or receiving Ethereum on Trezor. Choose the receive option, and now a new Ethereum address will be generated on screen. You can copy this address and you will be able to paste it on Binance or any other exchange wallet. So initiate the transfer on Binance, log into your Binance account, navigate to your Ethereum wallet, and choose the withdraw option. Paste the Ethereum address that was generated by your Trezor into the withdrawal address field, double-check the address for accuracy, and enter the amount of Ethereum that you would like to transfer. Review the transfer details, including any possible fees, and confirm the withdrawal. Now you can send a small amount first to confirm that everything works and that you copied the wallet address properly, and then send the remainder. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you will be able to send your Ethereum from Binance into your Trezor wallet. Just make sure that you generated an Ethereum wallet through Trezor Suite. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.